Welcome back, friends. Today we are in Learning Progression Day 3 of Lesson 3. Learning Guides, you are going to need Teachers page 43. Students, you are going to need Student page 43 for this lesson. Today our focus is going to be on the sound the short O sound, spelled O-O. Listen to the word book. B-U-K, book. Now, listen to the sound Say that sound with me. There are two letters that make up this sound. O-O. Let's say the word together. Book. What is the vowel sound in the word book? If you said you were correct. Let's practice that sound in other words. Shook. Say the word with me. Sh-ook. Shook. That also has the sound in it. Let's practice with one more. Now I have the word hoof. Say the word. Now let's pronounce the word. Hoof. Do you hear that sound in it? The letters O-O make the sound. Let's look at your practice page 43. There's a graphic organizer with a bunch of spots. Here, I am going to practice on making words that have that sound or that short O sound. Let's look at the word took. Do you hear that in the word took? Took. Let's do one more together. Look. Do you hear that sound in the word look? Pause this video. See how many words you and your learning guide can come up with the sound in them or the O sound. And then come on back and check your words with my words. So friends, let's see how you did. Let's compare your words to my words. Another word that I put on my graphic organizer was the word shook. Shook. Do you hear that sound in shook? Book. Book. Say this one with me. Cook. Cook. Now I changed cook into cookie. See how I added on another ending, but I kept that sound in the middle. K-e, cookie. Wood. W-d, wood. Stood. You might have had this one on your page. Good. Good. And last but not least on my page, I had the word foot. Foot. Now, I see some pairs of words here on the bottom of my practice page that have some sounds. I am going to check, just as we did in the last lesson, to see if these words have the same sound or a different sound. What is the vowel sound you hear in this first pair of words? Hood, mole. Hood, mole. Do those sound as if they have the same middle sound? Hood does, but mole has an O, a long O sound. So those have to be different sounds. Let's do one more together. Look at the words fun and cook. Those have different sounds because the in fun is a short U sound and the in cook is a short O sound. Pause this video, come on back when you're ready, and let's check how you did. So, Ready to check how you did? Let's look at our next pair of words. I have the words crook and rude. Crook, rude. Those sound different to me. I'm going to put a D there because has the short O sound, and rude has a long U sound. Totally not the same sound. I have the words good and took. Those for sure have the same middle sound. Foot and cut. No, those are different sounds. Foot has an sound and cut has an sound, a short U. So those aren't a match. My last set of words, I have wood, would, one of my short O sound words, and more, or. No, I'm thinking those two are different sounds. You guys did a great job with this lesson today. Practice reading out some of these words aloud with your learning guides and come back tomorrow for our last lesson in lesson 3.